I wish a happy Republic Day to all my dear friends. So today we are here with Republic Day speech. So let's start. A patriotic morning to everybody present on the auspicious occasion of Republic Day. As we all know that we have assembled here to commend the 72nd Republic Day of our nation. Even though we are forced to lock ourselves behind the doors, but we have managed to commemorate each and every event with the same zeal and enthusiasm through the online platform. And this is the real beauty of we Indians. We are resilient enough to breeze through any condition. Republic Day, praised each year on 26 January, has gained special significance throughout India's entire existence. Consistently, the national occasion is commended with lots of joy and bliss to make the occasion beautiful and memorable. It was on 26 January 1950 the Constitution of India came into impact, and this day is celebrated as National Day to recognize and celebrate the occasion. We are all aware that India got its independence on August 15, 1947, yet the country didn't have its very own constitution. Rather, it was represented under the laws executed by the British. Nonetheless, after numerous consultations and revisions, an advisory group headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar presented a draft on the Indian Constitution, which was adjusted on 26 November 1949 and authoritatively became effective on 26 January 1950. Republic signifies the power which is supreme. A resident living in the Republic country appreciates the right to choose their delegates to lead the nation. The principal Republic Day festivities are held at Rajpath, New Delhi, in the presence of the President of India. On this day, ceremonious processions happen at the Rajpath, which are preceded as a tribute to India. The President hoists the national flag and addresses the country with Republic Day speech by encouraging words to everybody in the nation present there and others as well. On the event, respectable honors are offered away to martyrs and legends who devoted lives to the nation. Republic Day March is an unmistakable and eye-catching component of the festival as it grandstands India's defense capability, cultural and social heritage. This day is all about enthusiasm, respect, understanding the sacrifices and hugely celebrating our freedom. Before I conclude my speech, I would like to say, patriotism is just like charity. It must begin at home. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.